everyone and welcome back. Today I'm in my office, so you'll have to forgive me if the lighting is a little bit strange, a little bit dark, but I was randomly minding my own business and I come across something called New Skills Academy on Facebook, and they were offering a whole variety of courses. One of them was a nail course, and they claimed that the price was slashed from $299 online to only $25 online. So I have decided to do a little bit more research on the company. How much research? Yeah, not a lot. I thought if I was a potential new student wanting to do a nail course, a lot of the time people don't put research into these types of things. So I thought I'd do a little experiment and actually go back to school, redo my nail certification online and see if I learn anything new. So those who don't know, I've only been qualified in the nail industry 3 years now. I did my nail course in Melbourne. It took me 10 weeks, 2 days a week, 5 hours a day, so roughly 100 hours, give or take. I would come home at the end of every day and practice for about 5 hours. I had a little fold away picnic table and I had my acrylic, and I would just practice my application every single day. So I know it's hard work, and even though I had an educator there teaching me and I was watching someone and I could actively ask questions, I still needed a lot of further education and training and practice over the years. And it's something that even though I am a nail educator, I am still learning. I don't think even the best nail techs out there know everything. Everybody learns from absolutely everybody. So I thought, let's go back to school, let's relearn everything, and let's see what a $25 course can get us. Okay, so this is the New Skills Academy. All the information I'm going to be showing you is public information. It's no secret. You can jump online, look for yourself, judge for yourself. Let's go into Facebook. Has this weird set of now posts. Special needs diploma. These are all $25. Just realised I am in the UK one. I thought there was a USA one. But I don't know. I'm thinking of if I can get my degree online for psychology. It's only $25. Okay, scrolling through. Oh my god, not finding any information on courses. I mean, they don't really have reviews, so let's go New Skills Academy reviews. Here we go. First one that pops up. Our New Skills Academy accredited. States that they are accredited. Accredited qualifications are delivered by AO approved centres. Qualification learning time is variable, but reps recognised qualifications are typically 150 plus hours. All indoor CPD services are prerequisite qualification that learners must have in order to undertake the training. So a little bit of research here. It's telling me that CPD is more of a prerequisite training qualification that learners must do in order to undertake training. So far, yeah, it's not really filling me with confidence that this is even accredited. It's just saying like you get points towards. Okay, let's skim through some of the UK reviews. That's the first one that came up. Really enjoyed this course. I had an issue, someone else said I had an issue with payment, but I got my money back. Good customer service, very simple to navigate online, excellent reviews. Found the customer service outstanding. Okay, pretty good reviews. Love the course, was extremely detailed. Makeup artist diploma, brilliant course, great customer service. Okay, I'm sold. Let's do it. Let's go back to school. So if you go straight onto the website, it tells you it's $2.99. You need to get the link off their Facebook page, and then it will reduce it to $25. I have no idea how you can slash something that dramatically, but then justify charging $300 for the full thing. I don't know. Okay, course access, lifetime exams included. Yes. Compatibility, all major devices and browsers. So I assume I can do the course on my phone. 20 hours. Yes, please add makeup artist certification to my course for only $17.99. $17.99. They advertise that one online for $25. But I don't, yeah, let's just, $35 Australian. It's charging me $35 for this course. Okay, I think it's sending me to the UK one. I don't think this is the American one, so the UK one is, I think, offering this. I don't know. But look, I've paid for it. I've now started my course. Let's start our nail certification. Once you've paid for everything, this is what your screen will look like. My courses, I've only done the nail artistry, 0%, start now. It's 10:13 p.m. the 4th of February 2019. 1 minute into the course, let's go. Module 1, Introduction to Nail Technology, apparently at 10 minutes. A little bit of history. What do you need to become a nail technologist? Nail technologist. I've been saying it wrong. In terms of personal attributes, you're going to need patience, design, organization, people skills. Nail technology is about much more than simply painting and sticking. What are we sticking? It is, in a sense, a form of art. While all, okay, I can't keep reading. So what does a nail technologist do on a daily basis? We do basic treatments, cleaning and filing nails. We apply false nails and extensions. We check for signs of skin, nail damage prior to beginning treatment, maintain hygiene, taking care of nails. Okay, so far everything is pretty above board, except for the fact that UK calls everything apparently a nail technologist. I don't get that. It's weird. Module summary. I don't know if that is classed as a... Okay, take me to the test. I haven't read everything yet, but I'm gonna... Oh, on your marks. Okay, let's do the test. Wait, I have to click start test. Test is loading. Okay, what 3 skills does a nail It's actually quizzing me on this. Quick wit, the ability to perform sums and good hairdressing skills. Creativity, passion, intelligence, organization, people skills, and creativity. I definitely don't need intelligence, so let's go for number 2. Which 2 areas of the body do nail technologists deal with? Eyes and hands, toes and fingers, head and hands. Eyes and hands. Come on. How old is nail technology? 5,000. You said that in the first line. This is ridiculous. Oh, it's giving you, by the way, 10 minutes to answer 5 questions, and one of those questions literally had the word hairdressing as an answer. Because the industry... Oh, wait. Read the question, Tita. Read the question. Why are business skills important for nail technologists? Because the industry isn't as simple as setting up shop and getting on with it? No, I agree. Because employers want business skills? I also agree. Because it's illegal to work as a technologist without them. Well, that's not true. It's not illegal at all. What do nail technologists need to learn about? A little anatomy, nail polish and skincare, business skills, false nails, and good hygiene practices. Wow, this is both of the above. Let's go for both of the above. Please wait a minute. Loading. I can already see my score. Yay! I got 5 out of 5. I passed. Module 2. Oh, cool. It's taken me less than 10 minutes to do a 10-minute module. Anatomy of the skin. I realize that it is going to be incredibly boring if I literally walk you guys through 20 hours of a full nail course. I think I might just sort of skim through a few things. If there's anything that I feel like is really, I guess, raises an eyebrow, I'll switch the camera on and I'll film this. It's not going to obviously be something I can finish tonight. It's already 10:20 p.m. First impressions for an introduction. I don't know. I feel like doing a quiz and asking possible nail technologist what a nail technologist is supposed to do, and having hairdressing as an option is just absolutely ridiculous. This may not even be something that I can do all in the same video, so I might stop and start. Keep in mind, again, this is based in the UK. Things might be taught differently over in the UK. There might be different nail terminology that I don't know of, but in terms, I guess I'm just going to be looking at this in terms of how are they teaching their students? What are they teaching? Is it relevant, or do I feel like this is just going to be like a really easy course? Here's the textbooks online, answer a couple questions, congratulations, you are now fully qualified to go pick up an acrylic brush. So yeah, excited to see what they teach, and I'll check in with you all later. Okay, so I know I said I wouldn't be back so soon, but I'm on Module 2, which is anatomy. So far it's teaching me the anatomy of the skin. So it's teaching me about the dermis and the epidermis and the skin follicles and melanin and fat tissues and all that stuff that doesn't actually relate to nails so far. So I'm hoping it's one of those things. Oh, there goes my phone. I'm hoping it's one of those things that they're teaching you the nail anatomy. Literally they've just given you like a photo that sort of looks like this. So you got the hair follicle, your blood vessels, your sweat glands, really nothing that relates to nails, but also not, I guess, a bad thing to know. So I'm still have an open mind about this, but oh god. Okay, now I'm definitely glad I turned on the camera. This is really fun. What should you do between clients to keep the skin safe? What should you do between clients to keep the skin safe? Not your skin, not their skin, just the skin. Possible answer 1. I'm not kidding. It says here. I'm gonna let you read it. Let's focus. There we go. Change your socks. You should change, apparently changing your socks between clients is an option. Change your gloves. Change your gloves, keep the area sterile, keep your tools sterile. Look, I'm going to go with number 3. Don't want to go with number 3, only because using the word sterile, you can't really keep your tools and your area sterile. Say a surgeon and their beds and their hospital rooms are sterile zones. You can't keep your workstation sterile. I know I'm rambling, but I don't know. I'm going to go with that because I'm guessing that's the answer, but I feel like telling your students that they need to keep their tools sterile. I'm hoping they teach us how to properly sterilize it and what sterilizing means, but telling everyone that they need to keep their tools sterile, I don't know. It's bad advice because there's so many ways there's so many people who think they're sterilizing their tools, but they're just disinfecting them. That's all I'm going to say. This one's funny. What are the skin's 3 main roles? Barrier to infection, keep you warm, keep you cold. Barrier to infection, tanning and sweating. Tanning, keeping you warm and producing nails. Okay guys, I just finished module 3, which was nail anatomy. I just finished my test, I got 100%. And one of the possible answers was literally looking pretty. It says, what is the purpose of the nail plate? One of the possible answers was to look pretty. Module 4 is preparing your work area. Wish me luck. Okay, so module 4 is preparing your work area. I might leave that for tonight. I've done 3 modules. It is 10:41 p.m. So I've been giving this a go for a solid 30 minutes. It's taken me 30 minutes to fully do 3 of the modules. There are 25 modules all up. So I think I'll just leave it there for tonight. Sleep on it, come back to this tomorrow. I say that I probably have a fair chance of finishing this whole course tomorrow. I might even have a handy little spigot that I can print on my computer and hang up on my wall. Let's be honest, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, I'm going to head to bed and I will continue filming my student progress tomorrow.